I'm here with Arash Ashouriha, Senior VP Group Technology Innovation and Deputy CTO at Deutsche Telekom. Deutsche Telekom is well into the process of simplifying and revitalising its networks to meet the needs of its customers or the anticipated needs. So tell us about that process.
Yeah, we at the DTF started a big transformation a couple of years ago where we fully committed both to our customers as well as to the capital market that we're going to do an all IP transformation. A complete all IP transformation, basically making our entire production model IP based. First, to modernize, to have the latest technology. Second, to use IP as a lever to be able to produce services faster and integrate them better. And third, to make the networks more reliable, fulfilling and addressing the challenges of consumer and enterprise.
DT has also set itself the goal of becoming the preferred provider for business. How will you achieve that?
I mean, within our DNA, we always, we want to be the leading European telco, and that means that we always want to have the best possible network experience. That means not only, winning awards in best mobile networks or best fixed, which we have been doing for many, many years in a row, but is also providing reliable network experience and most importantly, secure. We have put a lot of efforts in DT, particularly for the business segment, to fulfill and address the highest possible security and data protection rules, building huge data centers in Germany and across Europe to make sure that we keep the data of our customers, the business customers, in the country if required. And we are heavily investing in fiber networks. In fact, 2 weeks ago we initiated a new project across Germany, for example, to connect more than 3,000 business parks directly to fiber. We kicked it off in Düsseldorf. Within a couple of months, we're going to develop 13 business parks with fiber, which would bring up to 4,000 companies, give them direct fiber access, and we're going to roll this out across the country.
You've also talked a bit about collaboration. So tell us about the importance of collaboration for telecom industry as you see it and how you make it happen.
I think one of the main fundamental paradigm shifts I've been seeing in the industry is that the role of the classical operator, service provider and the vendor being like black and white, we ask and they deliver, has been completely managed into a partnering model. As our technology becomes IP and our solutions they merge more with the IT web type of services, we need to build an ecosystem. So it's not going to be a one-to-one relationship between a service provider and maybe one or two suppliers. It's going to be an ecosystem of capabilities which of you compose basically service offering.
So looking forward, is there any service you'd like to pick as offering the most opportunity for telecom?
On a business segment, I would say cloud and a variation of cloud. So it will be another initiative together with Huawei, our partner with Open Telecom Cloud, which is a fully OpenStack based cloud, where on a price level it's super competitive to even Amazon Web Services, and with that we address mid-sized company and some of the large enterprises. Now some of the customers come back and say, well, we don't want to move all of our asset into one cloud, or we might use a combination of a private and public cloud. So it's a hybrid cloud is a solution. I think we see growth opportunities in both areas. On consumer, in Western Europe, or in Europe in general, and particularly in some of our markets, Germany, Greece, TV, video. And interestingly enough, we started with our entertainment proposition, and we have great success, great pickup rates, and then we have enhanced this into a basic package and decided that we want to evolve, going away from a pure service provider who also provide video services into what we call content aggregator. One of the learning process has been that content is key, exclusive content is key and needs to be specific to the culture. So it's not a universal formula. You need to do it per country, addressing the country's need, and huge take up, great success. And I think the next step will be also really going into own productions, exclusive own productions.
Wow, that's interesting. Okay, so there we have it. Cloud, content, and coming soon, DT's own productions.
Absolutely. Exciting times.
Thanks, Arash.
Thank you.